Hey Sunshines, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Can you guess where we're gonna be filming today? Or in other words, vlogging?
That was much better. Now, are you ready? Yeah. I said, are you ready? Yeah. On your hats as I present to you. Can I get a drum roll, please? Colonel Randall Hawkins and his frontier fleet of wonder!
Hey, howdy folks. Let's get this show on the road, huh? Hey, Stretch. All right, watch yourself.
Davy, well, he's head over heels and in love with Miss Tabby. And the Colonel, he's not too happy about that. Sorry, are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh, I almost forgot the most important introduction of all. Me, I'm Scratch, frontman, road manager, bookkeeper, and bar.
Oh, Tabby! You know you're the only girl I've ever loved.
Oh, I could never love you more.
My hair! My makeup! Wait, Tabby, come back, I love you! Come on, let's go! I gotta be so sweet! Tabby Hawkins.
Oh, baby, you just have such bad timing.
No, I'm working on it. Huh? I'm gonna get you, Curly. I'm gonna get you later, Curly. You're gonna be my bride, Tabby girl. What are you doing, man? Nobody's even touching you, all right? Now I try to reason with you, but you just don't listen. So now it's time to get physical. Let's get physical. Physical. Wait. Now sit on it. Okay.
Phil, it's the Phil Mayfield. Keep those hands turned up for your Hawkins. Tabby Hawkins. Colonel Randall Hawkins. And your hero today. Last but not least, giving up the old true Liberty. You guys are wonderful. Have a great day here.
Such a fun show to watch. Well, let's keep on exploring today for Knott's Merry Farm. We're at Knott's Farm. I was baby. I love to enjoy these small sections of waterfalls here at Knott's Farm. Super cool. I love Knott. Here I was waiting for Emily and her daddy to see if Emily finally reached the line to ride the river rapid ride. I'm super excited. It was her first time after all this time. She finally got to ride it. It's all like so much Christmas, huh?
Look.
I just wanted to show you sunshines. We are at Knott's Berry Farm. Actually, Knott's Mary Farm still. Super nice. Just want to show you a little bit of Knott's. It's so packed today. Oh my goodness. I've never seen it this packed. But that's because we usually come during the week. It's getting dark. But it looks really beautiful with all the Christmas lights, all the Christmas decorations. I'll see if right now I could get on these right here, these ones, and I'll record for you guys. Give me your hand, Emily. Seems like it's gonna happen. I'm gonna go on just for you, sunshine. It's gonna happen. Okay, so you could barely see me, but my husband is over here. Hold on, he's gonna record us from his point of view, and it's about to start. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, unbelievable! Oh my god, oh my god! Ah! Ah! That is watching me. This girl is crazy! Wait, Emily, hold on.
Alrighty, how many do we have?
Two.
Let's get you guys in row one, please.
Next ride with this crazy little girl. Row one. Look for the one. Yes, right there, Mom. Sit down. Oh my god, I'm scared.
So, okay, we can bring someone here in row two. And,
Alright, just a little quick one. I just wanted to mention that this was in the beginning of January, right now in 2020. And I just want to show you how beautiful this looks at night with the Christmas lights. Of course, like I said, it's still Knott's Mary Farm during January, and it looks just beautiful.
Shannon. Bye-bye.
I love her. Alright, Sunshine, so I'm really hoping you all enjoyed this vlog I had for you all from Knott's Merry Farm. Happy New Year 2020! Snoopy's Pet Store. More Snoopies. Wednesday's got me feeling like Knott's Berry Farm.
Yeah, they taste like soap.
I swallowed one.
Because that's what it is. Soap.
That's funny.
$2. No, unfortunately not.
Alright, Sunshine, so I'm gonna finish the vlog here. We're already leaving to the car. And well, yeah, hopefully you all enjoyed this vlog I had for you all from Knott's Merry Farm. Peace. Till next time, Sunshines. Thanks for watching.